Here's step-by-step guide how to create Luno account. So first of all, open up your App Store or Google Play, and after that tap on search field at the very top and type in here Luno. Tap on the search icon and scroll down until you find Luno Bitcoin. Tap on get button right here and confirm downloads this application. And just wait of installation. Now I'm gonna tap on open button. So now if you already have account, you can tap on sign in at the very top. But now I'm gonna tap on join in. So create account, tap your email and password, and after that tap on let's go. After that just checking you're not a robot. Yes, I'm not a robot. On verify, tap on I'm in. After that open email and confirm your email. I do that on my PC. Create a new PIN code and again hello. And after that Luno will be able to send you verification code and you should be typing it in the program. And after that you will be able to successfully sign up account. That's it. I hope it helps. You can watch this new video or this playlist about crypto.